Good afternoon, everyone. Hope so you all are very fine. So, today I'm with you with some more sentences that will make you more effective speakers, and I'll also tell you that how you have to use these sentences in different places, at different places, in different mood or different tones, and it will create a very good impression in front of the person that you are having. First sentence here, when you see someone after a long time, you can say, "Hey, good to see you." Hey, good to see you. Or if you meet someone for a very first time, you can use the word "lovely to meet you" if you feels good that to meeting that person. And next, the third sentence is we are using that what is going on. Instead of using these sentence, when you we can use it, how's it going? How's it going? I don't think we have met before. You can use this sentence when any of the person tries to recognize his or her identity. So you can say that I don't think we have met before. Sure, sounds like fun. You can use this sentence when someone or anyone of your friend is talking about any party or any thrilling thing. So you can use sure, sounds like fun. Whenever someone asks you how are you, just saying before I'm fine, you can use the sentence pretty good, how about you. You can use the word pretty good, how about you. Oh my god, lovely suit you're wearing. When you are praising someone or you are appreciating someone or you are doing the praise of anything, you can use these sentence. I can't believe how hot is the weather and how cold is the weather. You can use these sentence to start a conversation with a stranger. I can't believe that how hot is it. So how do you know Sneha? If you are a friend named Sneha and she is a good friend of you, and you find two or three person in her party that you didn't see before, you can use this sentence to know. So how do you know Sneha? Now move to our next sentence. What a small world it is. When you have a limited circle, when you have a limited friends, you can use this sentence. When you are asking how are you and what about you, you can say that I'm good, thanks for asking me. What do you think when you are asking from someone about any situation? So you can use the sentence what do you think. So from the first 10 sentences, you have to comment me that which one you can use the more. Do you have a minute? You can use this sentence instead of saying that are you free. You can use do you have a minute? I have to talk to you. Like, can I give you a hand? Do not take it in another sense. It means whenever any of the person is carrying many things in his or her hand, you can say to help him that can I give you a hand, that can I help you to have some things in my hand. Let's grab lunch. When you are too hungry and you want to invite your friend for lunch together, you can use the sentence let's grab lunch. Could we have a table for two, please? Whenever you are going to any restaurant, you can start the conversation from this sentence. Could we have a table for two, please? You can use the word can also, but could seems too good. Yes, please, the waiter said. What would you recommend? This is my favorite line that I usually speak whenever I see any menu in the any restaurant. What would you recommend from the waiter? Because I want to know that what is the best dish of their place. Could we have the bill, please? At the last, you can use this word. Or could we have the check, please? Most of the people use the word bill. Now move to the next sentences. Whenever you are with your friend for a long time and now you want to move out,